And welcome to another edition of Ask Excite. I'm Tim Bushnell with Expert Cytometry, and today's question comes from Stephen. And Stephen asks, why is it so important to know what filters are in your system? Well, let's start at the beginning. Your detection system is typically something like a PMT or an APD. This is a PMT. These systems will capture any light, any photon of light that hits them, and amplify that signal to generate an electronic pulse. So we need to control and attenuate what photons are coming towards this. And we do that in two ways. We have mirrors, like this long pass mirror here, and filters. This is a bandpass filter, 515-20. So this means light set it at 515 nanometers plus or minus 10 nanometers will get through this PMT, this filter. So when this filter is in front of this PMT, only light between 505 nanometers to 525 nanometers will get through. With this filter here, it's a 550-50, so that means light between 525 nanometers to 575 nanometers will get through. Now on top of that, on a lot of instruments now, we have a second, a mirror that's directing the light around a boulevard, an octagon, a trigon, things of that nature, and that's what this is here. And this is a long pass filter, 525 nanometers. Light above 525 nanometers will pass through this. Light below that is get reflected away. So if I were to take this long pass filter at 525 nanometers and this bandpass filter at 515-20 and put them together, what would you expect to see on the outside? Well, light above 525 goes through, light below that gets rejected, gets reflected away. This looks at light between 505 to 525 nanometers. You would see probably nothing or very, very little because this is reflecting most of the light away that this filter detects. Whereas this filter, you would get a good signal because you have the full range of this long pass mirror. So thanks, and remember to if you have more questions, go to getflowtraining.com to learn more, or send me an email at askexcite@expertcytometry.com, and you might be featured on the next Ask Excite. Thanks for another Ask Excite. Until next time, be sure to keep your station here to learn the best practices in flow cytometry with Tim, me, and Team Excite.